Is it the right time to buy or sell Nvidia stock? In this video, we'll be taking a deep dive into Nvidia. Our initial report was published on our website on Monday, December 11, 2023, and now we're here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Don't forget to subscribe, like this video, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. It's important to stay informed about any updates that could impact your investments. Improve your trading decisions with our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 on StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any of the 25,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. As of December 7, 2023, our system has identified Nvidia as a potential investment opportunity, giving it a score of 3.07. Now, let's examine how the stock has performed during this period. Over this time, the stock has experienced a modest gain of 0.07%. This equates to an average daily return of 0.02% since it was identified as a potential investment. The stock is currently experiencing a strong upward trend in the short term, indicating the potential for further growth. Based on the 3-month trend, there is a projected 11.14% change over the next 3 months, with a potential return ranging between 2.19% and 22.89%. Looking at the 12-month trend, there is a forecasted 213.22% change over the next year, with a potential return between 201.27% and 259.93%. This translates to a price range of $1,404.74 to $1,678.23 after 12 months. In our latest update for Nvidia, we have some interesting news. The stock has been downgraded to a buy candidate and its technical forecast looks weaker. On the last trading day, which was Monday, December 11, 2023, the Nvidia stock price experienced a decrease of 1.85%, dropping from $475.06 to $466.27. Throughout the day, the stock fluctuated between a low of $458.30 and a high of $475.31, showing a 3.71% variation. Over the past 10 days, the stock has fallen in 6 of them and has an overall decline of 3.35%. This recent increase in volume, with 15 million shares being traded, despite the declining prices, may be an early warning sign of increased risk in the coming days. In total, approximately $23.35 billion worth of Nvidia shares were bought and sold, involving 50 million shares. Looking at a broader timeframe, over the past 52 weeks, the highest price the stock reached was $505.48, while the lowest price was $138.84. Currently, the stock is trading 7.76% below its 52-week high, which translates to a difference of $39.21. Notably, the highest price of $505.48 also stands as the all-time high for this stock. Today, I want to talk about analyst ratings for Nvidia. Cowen & Company recently gave Nvidia a buy grade with a hold action. BMO Capital also gave Nvidia a buy grade with a hold action on a different day. Additionally, BMO Capital gave Nvidia an outperform grade with a hold action. Wells Fargo provided Nvidia with an overweight grade and a hold action. Lastly, KeyBank gave Nvidia an outperform grade with a hold action as well. Analysts have given Nvidia stock a strong buy rating overall. They rate the PE ratio as strong buy and the price to book as strong buy as well. However, for return on investment, the analysts give the stock a neutral rating. In this video, we'll be discussing the signals that have been identified for Nvidia stock. The Nvidia stock currently shows buy signals from both short and long-term moving averages, which indicates a positive forecast for the stock. Additionally, there is a general buy signal from the relation between these two signals, with the short-term average positioned above the long-term average. In case of any downward corrections, there will be support from the lines at $464.39 and $461.26. However, if the stock breaks below these levels, it will issue sell signals. A buy signal was issued from a pivot bottom point on Wednesday, December 6, 2023, and the stock has risen by 2.47% since then. This suggests that further rise is indicated until a new top pivot is found. While there have been some negative signals issued as well, they may have some influence on the near short-term development. Furthermore, there is currently a sell signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, MACD. Yesterday, volume rose on falling prices, which could be seen as an early warning. Therefore, it is advisable to closely monitor the stock in the coming days. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. One signal you might want to pay attention to is the moving average convergence divergence, which is currently indicating a sell signal. Another signal to consider is the pivots, which gave a buy signal 4 days ago. The Bollinger signal also suggests a buy, given that it was generated 21 days ago. Additionally, the short-term moving average indicates a buy signal 4 days ago. On the other hand, the long-term moving average is currently showing a sell signal that was generated 7 days ago. Moreover, the relationship between the short and long moving averages suggests a buy signal 25 days ago. Taking a look at the 12-month chart, we can observe the following. The short moving average gave a sell signal 9 days ago. Conversely, the long-term moving average generated a buy signal 27 days ago. Similarly, the relationship between the short and long moving averages indicates a buy signal 17 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us to discover more signals. Support, risk, and stop loss for Nvidia. When it comes to support levels for Nvidia stock, there are 2 key levels to keep an eye on. The first one is at $439.38, which is just below today's level. If the stock breaks this support, it may then fall to the next level at $421.96. So it's crucial to monitor these levels closely. It's important to note that whenever a stock is testing a support level, there's always a certain level of risk involved. If the support is broken, the stock may experience further downward movement. In the case of Nvidia, if the $439.38 support is breached, the next support levels to watch for are $421.96 and $403.26. As for the risk associated with trading this stock, it is considered medium due to its average daily movements and good trading volume. On any given day, Nvidia stock has been known to move around $17.01 between its high and low, representing a 3.71% fluctuation. Over the past week, the average daily volatility has been around 3.15%. Before we explore potential trading levels for Nvidia, let's take a moment to go over some important fundamental data. First, let's discuss the price-to-earnings ratio, also known as the P/E ratio. This ratio compares a company's current share price to its per-share earnings. When the P/E ratio is high, it could indicate that the stock is overvalued or that investors anticipate significant future growth. Shifting our attention to other news, the upcoming earnings report for Q4 2023 is scheduled for February 28, 2024. Analysts' consensus estimates for this report stand at $3.76. It's worth keeping an eye on these figures, as they can significantly impact stock prices. Today, let's analyze some potential day trading levels for Nvidia. If the stock is on an upward trend, the first resistance level for Nvidia is at $467.70. If you're not currently holding any shares, it might be wise to wait for the stock to break through this level before entering a position. However, if you're already holding the stock, this could be a potential level to consider for swing trading. On the other hand, if the stock is experiencing a downward movement, Nvidia's first support level can be found at $439.38. If this support level holds, it could present a good entry point, with the anticipation of a rebound in the stock's price. According to multiple analyst sources, Nvidia has a strong buy rating. Now, let's dive into some recent insider trades. The most recent insider trades involve Shoquist Deborah, who both bought and sold a total of 13,129 shares or options in the company. Analyzing the 100 most recent insider trades, we found that the insider power ratio is negative, standing at -43.160. In the last 100 trades, insiders purchased a total of 243,138 shares and sold 595,667 shares. Our recommended stop loss for this stock is set at $445.38, which represents a decrease of 4.48%. This particular stock tends to experience moderate daily movements, indicating a medium level of risk. Furthermore, we have identified a buy signal from a pivot bottom that was detected 3 days ago. Is Nvidia stock a good buy? Based on our analysis, several short-term signals and a positive overall trend indicate that Nvidia stock may present a buying opportunity. Though there are some minor weaknesses in the technical picture, we have downgraded our analysis conclusion from a strong buy to a buy candidate. Upon examining the volatility and movements of the last trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is undervalued. For trading on Tuesday, December 12th, we anticipate Nvidia to open up $0.357 and start trading at $466.63. Please note that trading carries a high risk of financial loss, and it is important to consult a financial advisor before making any buying or selling decisions. It is crucial not to solely rely on StockInvest.us for your investment choices. By utilizing the provided information, you acknowledge and assume responsibility for your own investment decisions. Welcome to Stock Invest. In this video, we'll be discussing our current view of the stock. We value your opinion, so make sure to comment below and share your thoughts. We're also curious about your target for the stock. Remember to like and subscribe to stay updated with our latest content. We're here to support your trading success. Have a fantastic day from all of us at Stock Invest.